That's the one you call, what do you call him?
John.
John.
That's Johnny Rock.
Johnny Rock.
Johnny Rock. Look at the puppy eating the cord on her.
And you liked my got milk today, huh?
That was funny. I liked it.
Oh,
There he goes again.
Now look.
He goes, what's wrong with this
Look at the puppy
picture?
that's got big camper.
That's little tiny Tim.
What happened? Oh, did he go back out?
I have that window open there in case she cries. If you
Okay.
hear anything, let me know.
Yeah. She's trapped by pillows on
Yeah.
the bed.
Did you hear her screaming?
No.
Oh, she had herself just a knockdown, drag
That
out,
must have
temper
drove you
tantrum.
crazy.
Yeah, because she needed her diaper changed, and she's like, oh no, I want to eat now. Well, eating takes a little bit because the breast milk that brings in is cold, so I have to warm it up in the pan, and that takes a little bit. And besides, you have to have this done first. Oh man, she was kicking and scratching, and she just has downright temper tantrum.
Sounds like
Yeah. So I said, go ahead for it, baby, because it don't work on me. It may work on your mom, it don't work on me. Just keep doing it, because this is the way I look at it. You keep doing all of that energy and mad and all that, you're gonna sleep.
yes.
That's why I like to just have a fit. And sure enough, she had the bottle in her mouth like 2 seconds.